Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures on your headphones Sony. So, these headphones have controls on your left ear cup and touch area on your right ear cup. Right here we have a touch area, and let's get started. Give me a moment. Okay, so you can increase the volume by slide up on this touch area, and as you can see I just increase it. To lower it, just slide down, and again, as you can see, it also works. If you press 2 times on this touch area, you will play or pause the song. And as you can see, I pause it and I play it. To play a next track, you need to slide to the right. Something like this, and it works. To play previous track, you need to slide to the left. And it also works. Also, what we have here? We can call voice assistant using this gesture. And you need to press and hold at this touch area. I have iOS, so I will call a Siri. If you have Android, you will call Google Assistant. So I'm just press and hold on it. And as you can see, Siri is awake, so it works. And also, right here we have power button to turn on or turn off your headphones, and ambient sound control button to enable ANC or transparency mode or disable these modes. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!